Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, very quickly, I will show you how to update Blockblast in Play Store. Guys, this procedure is very simple, just like updating any other app. You just need to go to the update section or just search for the app itself. For example, Blockblast, just like that. And guys, as you can see, I don't currently have this game installed, but once you install the game and any update arrives, you will have a dedicated update button on this page right here that will update your game to the latest version. Guys, it's that simple. You don't have to do anything else. The alternative, for example, is going to your pending downloads and app settings. And in here, as you can see, I can update two apps right now, which is Spotify and PicsArt. And you can also update your Blockblast from here. Guys, hopefully this helps you. Enjoy the tutorial. Press like on the video if this helped, and subscribe. See you next time.